Hi everybody, in this video we are going to learn about the essential editing tools in Blender's editing mode. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to start modeling. Begin by deleting the default cube. To add a new object, press Shift and A. From here, you can insert different type of objects, like a sphere or a cylinder. If you want more detail for the object, you can come here and open this detail panel. Now you can play with values. Lastly, I want to show you one more object, and it is this monkey head, before known as Susan. But for now, let's stick with the cube. Up in the top left corner, you can switch to edit mode. Objects in Blender are made up of three main components: vertex, edges, and faces. You can switch between them either from the toolbar here or simply by pressing the number keys 1, 2, and 3. Now let's move on to the transform tools. These are move, rotate, and scale. Using the keyboard shortcuts make things much easier. G for move, R for rotate, and S for scale. Sometimes we only want to transform along a specific axis. For that, just press X, Y, or Z right after the command. As you can see, these are just for transform. Next is the 3D cursor. This represents the pivot point or the center of action. Instead of placing it manually, you can simply select a point, press Shift S, and choose cursor to selected. After that, hold down the period key to quickly switch the pivot to the cursor. This makes transformation much easier. Now let's look at the extrude tool. It extends a selected region outward. Shortcut, just press D. If you hold down the tool, you also see different extrude options. Then we have inset, which creates a new face inside the selected one. Shortcut I. The bevel tool is another important one. Use Ctrl and B to bevel edges, or press V to bevel a single vertex. From the tool option, you can also fine-tune the bevel for different effects. With loop cuts, Ctrl R, you can add cuts across your mesh. The knife tool key lets you make custom cuts anywhere you want. Just confirm with enter when you are done. The spin tool allows you to spin geometry around the cursor, so make sure to zoom out a little for better control. Next up, smooth. This tool smooth out rough geometry or exaggerate it. If you want the upside effect, Edge slide is very handy for sliding edge along the mesh. Shortcut G twice. Press C to keep it constrained. Shrink fatten pulls geometry inward or outward relative to its center. Shear tilts face without deforming the shape, different from rotating with R, which doesn't lock edges. Finally, the rip tool lets you separate edges. Its shortcut V. And that's the overview of edit mode tools. My suggestion, after watching this video, try experimenting with these tools on your own. The more you play around with them, the faster you'll get comfortable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.